Hi, I'm Marna. This is the Dolls Rescue Channel, and I love this little GROGU. Darren 3D printed him, and he is going to go out to somebody who wins our game coming up on May 4th, on our May 4th video. We are doing, well, we host this every year. We are doing a May the 4th Star Wars or anything space, including Star Trek, challenge. And what you do is you make your own video with a Star Trek doll or Legos, or dress your doll in a Star Wars outfit, and show your video under our hashtag May the 4th Star Wars. But also, if you make a video and you leave that in my comments, I'm more likely to see it. YouTube has changed the way they do hashtags, and they don't always show up. Why is he falling apart and unpainted? Because he is for you, whoever wins this, and there will be more details on how to win him coming up May 4th. His little hand's supposed to just stay there for me, but evidently. As you can see, after you paint him, you will need just a little bit of glue. But isn't this I absolutely love this guy. Get your videos together and be ready for a fun day on May the 4th, including a game. Please leave a like, a comment, and subscribe.